Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To not fix or to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Here on this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. You can go to Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app to fix that problem on Twitter app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watch.